to the students and their parents who are appearing in CBSE exams. Dear children, you have already appeared in one or two subjects, and now for class 12th science. Next online is chemistry, which has of course higher competency level. Today I'll discuss about the design of chemistry question paper and how to solve it in a proper and effective way. The question paper consists of overall 33 questions divided in 5 sections, that is from A to E. All the questions are compulsory. There is no overall choice, but an internal choice is provided in different sections. First of all, read the instructions given on the question paper carefully and properly utilize the reading time to read and understand the questions. Section A comprises of 12 multiple choice questions and 4 questions based on assertion and reason. That is, there are overall 16 questions in this section. The questions are although simple, but options given are very close, so read the questions and options very carefully before answering. This section has no internal choice and each question is of 1 mark. Section B consists of 5 questions with internal choice in 1 question. Although each question is of 2 marks, but except numericals, each question has 2 parts and weightage of each part is of 1 mark. So, each part is generally to be answered in 1 sentence. Section C contains 7 questions with 2 internal choices. Just like section B, the theoretical questions of this section may also be divided in 2 or 3 parts and therefore must be answered accordingly. Section D has 2 paragraph-based questions, each comprising of 4 marks. These paragraphs are based on the text related to the units of the syllabus. There are 4 questions on each text. In this section, you will find 1 internal choice in one of the parts. Finally, section E contains 3 long answer questions of 5 marks each. Every question is provided with an internal choice. Each question in this section is also divided into subparts. So, as a whole we may say that except numericals, each part or question has generally a weightage of 1 mark. A very important thing that attempt all the questions in a proper sequence and all the parts of a question must also be attempted all together. Don't leave any question unattempted. You can underline the keywords in each answer to make your work more presentable and effective. Some frequently asked questions in board exams are: number 1, define Raoult's law. What is positive and negative deviation from Raoult's law? Explain with an example. Question number 2, define Henry's law and its applications. Third, differentiate between order and molecularity of a reaction. Question 4, define conductivity. What is the effect of dilution on conductivity of a solution? Fifth, define molar conductivity. How does molar conductivity of a strong and weak electrolyte vary with dilution? Explain with reason. Question 6. Write chemical equations for the reactions taking place in anode, cathode, and overall reaction in lead storage cell. Question 7. What are transition elements? Zinc, cadmium, and mercury are not considered as transition elements. Why? 8. What is lanthanoid contraction? Write its reason and consequences. Question 9. Give reasons why transition elements act as good catalyst. Number 2. Form interstitial compounds. 3. Form complexes. 4. Form colored compounds. Question 10. Draw crystal field splitting in octahedral complexes. Question number 11. What happens when glucose is treated with hydrogen iodide, nitric acid, and bromine water? Question 12. Write the hydrolysis products of sucrose, lactose, and maltose. Question 13. Write structural differences between DNA and RNA. Second part, globular and fibrous proteins. Question 14. Name the linkage present between carbohydrates, second proteins. Question number 15. Differentiate between following pair of organic compounds. 1. Acetophenone and benzophenone. 2. Acetone and ethanol. 3. Methanol and ethanol. 4. Formic acid and acetic acid. 5. Phenol and acetic acid. Question 16. Draw pyranose of 5. Phenol and acetic acid. Question 16. Draw pyranose or cyclic structure of glucose.